Slovenia, a small country with big beauty. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this hidden gem is often overlooked by travelers, but those who venture here are rewarded with breathtaking landscapes and a rich cultural experience. Slovenia is a small country in Europe, but don't let its size fool you. Despite its modest dimensions, Slovenia boasts a diverse range of natural wonders and cultural treasures that rival those of much larger nations. Slovenia is big on beauty. It has high mountains, green forests, and clear lakes. The Julian Alps, with their snow-capped peaks, offer some of the most stunning vistas in Europe. The pristine lakes, such as Lake Bled and Lake Bohinj, are perfect for a serene escape into nature. You'll love exploring this gem of a country. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone who enjoys leisurely strolls through picturesque landscapes, Slovenia has something for everyone. The country's well-marked trails and paths make it easy to discover its natural beauty. Slovenia is perfect for outdoor lovers. The country offers a plethora of activities that cater to all levels of fitness and adventure. From challenging hikes in the mountains to gentle walks through verdant valleys, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy the great outdoors. You can go hiking, biking, and swimming. The extensive network of cycling routes takes you through some of the most scenic parts of the country, while the crystal-clear lakes and rivers provide ample opportunities for swimming, kayaking, and other water sports. Or you can relax by the lake and enjoy the views. Lake Bled, with its iconic island church and medieval castle perched on a cliff, is a must-visit. The tranquil waters and surrounding mountains create a postcard-perfect setting that is ideal for relaxation and reflection. Slovenia is also a great place to try new foods. The country's culinary scene is a delightful blend of traditional and modern influences, with a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. From hearty stews to delicate pastries, there's something to satisfy every palate. The cuisine is a mix of Mediterranean and Central European flavors. You'll find dishes that reflect the country's diverse cultural heritage, with influences from Italy, Austria, Hungary, and the Balkans. Be sure to try local specialties like potica, a sweet rolled pastry, and jota, a hearty bean and sauerkraut soup. Be sure to try the local wines too. Slovenia's wine regions, such as Primorska and Podravia, produce some excellent wines that are gaining international recognition. A visit to a local vineyard for a wine tasting is a great way to experience the country's viticultural traditions and enjoy the scenic countryside. Come discover the beauty of Slovenia. You won't be disappointed. From its stunning natural landscapes to its rich cultural heritage and delicious cuisine, Slovenia offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Whether you're exploring its charming towns and villages, hiking through its national parks, or simply relaxing by a lake, you'll find that this small country truly has big beauty. Lake Bled is a must-see in Slovenia. Nestled in the Julian Alps, this picturesque lake is renowned for its stunning beauty and serene atmosphere. The crystal-clear waters reflect the surrounding mountains, creating a mesmerizing scene that captivates visitors from all over the world. It's like something out of a fairy tale. The enchanting scenery, with its lush greenery and tranquil waters, makes it feel as though you've stepped into a storybook. The lake's magical ambiance is perfect for those seeking a peaceful retreat or a romantic getaway. The lake is surrounded by mountains. These majestic peaks provide a stunning backdrop, enhancing the lake's natural beauty. The mountains are often shrouded in mist, adding to the mystical atmosphere of the area. Whether you're an avid hiker or simply enjoy breathtaking views, the mountains around Lake Bled offer something for everyone. In the middle, there's a small island with a church. This island, known as Bled Island, is home to the Church of the Assumption, a beautiful Baroque church that dates back to the 17th century. The church's iconic bell tower is a prominent feature of the island, and its history and architecture are fascinating to explore. You can take a boat to the island. Traditional wooden pletna boats, rowed by skilled oarsmen, offer a unique and charming way to reach Bled Island. The boat ride itself is an experience, providing stunning views of the lake and its surroundings as you glide across the water. Ring the church bell for good luck. According to local legend, ringing the bell at the Church of the Assumption will grant your wishes. Many visitors make the climb up the 99 stone steps to the church, eager to ring the bell and take in the panoramic views from the top. The boat ride is a peaceful way to enjoy the lake. As you drift along the calm waters, you'll feel a sense of tranquility wash over you. The gentle lapping of the water and the soft rustling of the leaves create a soothing soundtrack, making it easy to relax and unwind. After your boat trip, walk around the lake. The 6-kilometer path that encircles Lake Bled is perfect for a leisurely stroll. Along the way, you'll encounter a variety of scenic spots, each offering a unique perspective of the lake and its surroundings. The path is easy to follow. It's well-maintained and suitable for all ages and fitness levels. Whether you're walking, jogging, or cycling, you'll find the path to be a pleasant and enjoyable way to explore the area. You'll have amazing views the whole way. From every angle, Lake Bled offers breathtaking vistas that are sure to leave a lasting impression. Be sure to bring your camera, as you'll want to capture the beauty of this enchanting place. Stop at a cafe and try the Bled cream cake. It's a local specialty. Known as kremna rezina in Slovenian, this delicious dessert is a must-try when visiting Lake Bled. The cafes around the lake offer a cozy atmosphere where you can relax and enjoy this sweet treat. You'll love the creamy custard and flaky pastry. The Bled cream cake is made with layers of delicate puff pastry and rich vanilla custard, topped with a generous dusting of powdered sugar. It's the perfect way to end your visit to this fairytale setting, leaving you with sweet memories of your time at Lake Bled. Bled Island is full of legends. Nestled in the heart of Slovenia, this enchanting island is a place where history and myth intertwine. The serene waters of Lake Bled surround it, creating a picturesque setting that has inspired countless tales over the centuries. People say a goddess lived here. She protected the area. According to local folklore, this divine being watched over the island and its inhabitants, ensuring their safety and prosperity. The lush forests and tranquil waters were said to be her domain, a magical realm where nature and spirituality coexisted in perfect harmony. The church on the island is also legendary. The Church of the Assumption, with its iconic bell tower, stands as a testament to the island's rich spiritual heritage. Built in the 17th century, it has been a place of worship and pilgrimage for generations. It's dedicated to the Assumption of Mary. This dedication reflects the deep religious significance of the site, which has been a beacon of faith for the local community and visitors alike. The church's stunning architecture and serene interior offer a glimpse into the island's sacred past. People have been getting married here for centuries. The island's romantic ambience makes it a popular destination for couples seeking to tie the knot. The tradition of weddings at Bled Island dates back to ancient times, with many believing that the island's mystical energy blesses their union. You can ring the church bell for good luck. The bell, located in the church's tower, is said to have the power to grant wishes. Visitors from around the world come to ring it, hoping to receive a blessing or fulfill a heartfelt desire. It's said to bring happiness. The sound of the bell resonates across the island, creating an atmosphere of joy and positivity. Many believe that the act of ringing the bell connects them to the island's ancient legends and the protective spirit of the goddess. Many people make a wish while they ring the bell. This tradition has become an integral part of the island's charm, with visitors often sharing their hopes and dreams as they pull the rope and hear the bell's melodious chime. Take some time to explore the island. Wander through its scenic trails, discover hidden corners, and immerse yourself in the natural beauty that surrounds you. Each step you take brings you closer to the island's enchanting essence. You can feel the magic in the air. The island's serene beauty and enchanting views create a sense of wonder and tranquility. Whether you're gazing at the shimmering lake or the majestic mountains in the distance, the magic of Bled Island is palpable. It's a special place that you won't forget. The memories you create here will stay with you forever, a testament to the island's timeless allure. Bled Island is not just a destination. It's an experience that touches the soul and leaves an indelible mark on your heart. Triglav National Park is a hiker's paradise. It's named after Mount Triglav, the highest mountain in Slovenia. The park is full of stunning views. There are hiking trails for all levels. You can choose a short and easy hike, or you can challenge yourself with a longer trek. No matter which trail you choose, you'll be rewarded with incredible scenery. You'll see waterfalls, forests, and mountain peaks. Be sure to bring your camera. You'll want to capture the beauty of this special place. Section 5. Hiking trails for everyone. Triglav National Park has many hiking trails. You can find one that's perfect for you. For a short and easy hike, try the Vintgar Gorge Trail. You'll walk along a wooden walkway over a turquoise river. For a more challenging hike, hike to the top of Mount Triglav. It's a tough but rewarding climb. You'll have amazing views from the summit. Be sure to check the weather conditions before you go, and wear comfortable shoes. Section 6. Soka Valley Emerald Waters and Adventure. The Soka Valley is known for its stunning emerald green river. The Soka River is one of the most beautiful rivers in Europe. The valley is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. You can go kayaking, rafting, and fishing, or you can simply relax by the river and enjoy the scenery. The Soka Valley is also home to many historical sites. You can visit World War I memorials and museums. Section 7. Kayaking and Rafting Paradise. The Soka River is perfect for kayaking and rafting. The water is clear and refreshing, and the scenery is breathtaking. There are rapids for all levels. You can find gentle rapids for beginners, or you can challenge yourself with more difficult rapids. There are many companies that offer kayaking and rafting trips. They provide all the equipment you need, and they have experienced guides to keep you safe. Section 8. Piran, a Venetian gem on the Adriatic coast. Piran is a charming town on the Adriatic coast. It's known for its Venetian architecture. The town is built on a narrow peninsula. You can wander through the narrow streets and admire the colorful buildings. Be sure to visit Tartini Square, the heart of the town. Climb to the top of the bell tower for stunning views of the town and the sea. You can see all the way to Croatia on a clear day. Section 9. Exploring Piran's charm. Piran is a small town, but there's plenty to see and do. You can spend hours exploring its charming streets and alleyways. Visit the Tartini house, where the famous violinist Giuseppe Tartini was born. Learn about his life and music. Take a walk along the town walls for beautiful views of the Adriatic Sea. You can watch the boats coming and going from the harbor. Section 10. Discover more of Slovenia. Slovenia is a country full of delightful surprises. From its stunning natural beauty to its charming towns and villages, there's something for everyone in this hidden gem of Europe. What place in Slovenia do you want to learn about next? Let us know. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.